Early in the morning, Hulk is sitting near the river, fishing peacefully. Suddenly, an old man runs toward him, shouting in fear. "Old man! Hulk, brother! Disaster! The factory owners have poured poison into the river. The fish are dying." Hulk says, "What? They are destroying our land and water?" Hulk's mother comes running from behind and says with worry, "My son, if the water dies, how will people survive? Go and stop these cruel people." Hulk says, "All right, mother, pray for me." Hulk reaches the factory. The evil factory owner laughs loudly and says, "Money is everything. You villagers can't do anything." Hulk says, "Hey, plastic-hearted monster, the earth is our mother, not something to sell." The owner orders his bodyguards to attack. They hit Hulk and he falls to the ground. Hulk looks at the camera and says, "Friends, if you want to save the earth, please like and subscribe right now." Hulk stands up with anger and power. He throws a massive punch. The poison pipes break and the dirty water stops flowing into the river. The factory owner runs away shouting, "Forgive me, we will shut down the factory." The villagers cheer loudly. Hulk saved the river. Hulk is our hero. Hulk smiles and looks at the clean water flowing again.